Hi guys, if your Kodak camera won't turn on, if it freezes or if it shows you any types of lights, the problem is usually related to batteries. So in this video, you are going to learn how you can fix these problems when the Kodak camera that is not turning on. So first of all, you need to connect the camera to its original charger. So the original charger is going to look something like this. So if there is a USB cable available for your camera, you just have to use that and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Now, some of the Kodak cameras will not power on immediately if the battery is completely drained. Also, you need to check whether the charging light appears when connected. Afterwards, you just have to turn the camera off completely, and then you just have to simply remove the batteries from the battery compartment. After removing these batteries, you just have to do nothing but to just simply wait for at least 2 minutes and then reinstall it securely. Now, a loose battery connection is one of the most common reasons why Kodak cameras suddenly stop turning on. Then you can also inspect the metal battery contact inside the camera and on the battery itself. Now, if the camera still shows no response at all, you can test another compatible Kodak battery or charging cable if it is possible. You can also press this particular on or off button or the power button, and you can hold it for about 15 seconds. This is going to help you discharge the leftover electrical power from the internal system. After that, you can reinsert the batteries only, and then you can try turning the camera on again. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. Thank you.